Spelling Free is a free app which offers a simple and effective way for students to practice their weekly spelling words. If we load up Spelling Free, and get rid of the pop-up ad, it allows us to add word lists, which could be done weekly with our spelling program by clicking on the Add Word List at the top. The best way to distinguish between the two students' word lists that will be using the same iPad will be to have their first name at the beginning of the unit list. So if this was my list, I could call it Michael and then Unit 1. Every unit I saved, I could put my first name at the front to make it easily identifiable. Now I just need to find the words that make up my word list for the week. So say my word was century, I can begin to type that in and you'll see that it will pop up in the list, and beside it I can then click on Add, it will also play the word for me.
Century.
I can add to my list, so I'll have a new word, say it was stomach. I can then click and add.
Stomach.
And presuming I've added all my words for the week, I can then go to the top and click Done. Here you can see my two list words which make up my Michael Unit 1 word list. I can now practice those words and be tested on them. So I'll just quickly show you those features now. So to practice them,
Century.
Gives me an opportunity to look, cover, and then type in the word. I can also repeat it if I needed to.
Stomach.
So I could look away, and practice the word. It tells you how you went, allows you to email the results, which we wouldn't use at this stage. Up the top, I can test myself.
Century. This
time the word is not revealed at the top.
Stomach.
Say I made a mistake. It then shows me that I have, with the gold star, got that one right, and the incorrect spelling I entered, and the correct spelling on the left. It would then allow me to practice the ones that I got incorrect by pressing practice.
Stomach.
And once again, until I was confident,
stomach,
I could continue the process. Now I could click back. It also gives you the option to record the words if the American pronunciation is confusing. You can record your own voice as well. If I just go back to the main word list menu, you could continue to add word lists in here. Each of the two students that share in the iPad could add their own word lists in here throughout the term and continue to practice and test them in their spare time in class. So that's Spelling Notebook Free.